in just a few. And so to formally welcome everyone here to Stell's Room Showcase, my name is Kaki Teodoro, and yes, I am a proud 18. Tulad ng mga nandyan sa kitaas. Hello, 18! Yes! I am so excited to be here. Truly, this is a momentous occasion because we are here all together celebrating the spotlight given to our very own Stell, the last of the Mahalima to finally have his solo debut. Okay, so kumpleto na po. Okay, ika nga, save the best for last. Okay, and also full disclosure, Stell is my bias. Kaya naman talaga, I truly believe this. So good evening po sa inyong lahat. And by the way, just this midnight, Stell has released the audio for Room. So sa mga nakinig na dito kanina, yes, hands up if you already listened to it. And inimagine ko talaga siya di ba? Upon seeing that performance, not to mention the wonderful venue of Teatrino, which is where we are right now. Yes, thank you very much, Teatrino. I'm trying to connect the dots here, okay? Sige, i-confirm natin later on yung mga theories natin later. And if you also have a lot of questions, feel free to write them down and prepare because later on, we'll be having a lot of opportunities to have a Q&A. And also, for the live updates, please use the hashtag StellRoomShowcase, okay? So let's make sure that we make Stell's debut trend, okay? So again, that's hashtag StellRoomShowcase. Oh, by the way, just a quick reminder for everyone here, please do not post the performance na napanood nyo just now in its entirety. Pero pwede naman yung snippets lang, okay? Just enough to build excitement until the official music video release because we're actually going to watch the music video all together in just a few minutes. At 7 p.m. exacto, all over the world, papanoorin natin yan all together. Okay, so you can post snippets of the performance na napanood lang natin ngayon, just not the entire video. Alright, so I know that you guys are excited and I can read the room. Sabi nga sa kanta, I know that everyone's really truly thrilled to be here. So everyone, let's now call back on stage the bold and confident debonair, Stell! Hi, Stell! Nice to meet you again. Grabe yung, tumaas yung tono ng boses ko, I'm trying to stay kalmado because again, as I mentioned it kanina, I am Kaki Teodoro, I am an 18 and you are my bias.
Ay, wow.
Yes, and just to share, yung entry point ko into the SB19 fandom actually started with you because I saw you perform and sing Defying Gravity and I was just, as a musical theater girly, really I was like, who is this divine God with this voice? Diba? So I'm, grabe. And you know, kita mo naman, everybody's at the edge of their seats with a million questions running through their minds. And when they're wondering, I'm sure like me, what it's like to be inside Stell's room, okay? Hi! Kaya naman, okay lang ba if you indulge us, please?
Okay po.
Yes!
Ito na po yung This is Stell's room where I can be myself, where I can be confident, and in this room I can do everything that I want without hesitations.
Yes!
I can do a lot of things na hindi na pinag-iisipan kung ano yung sasabihin ng ibang tao. I think of myself more rather than thinking of other people na kung ano yung magiging perception nila about me. Wala na akong pakialam sa judgment nila basta alam ko kung masaya ako and masaya yung mga taong naniniwala po sa akin.
Yes! We're so excited because we can't wait to see the most authentic Stell. I mean, yes. In fact, we have a lot of questions from our friends from the media. So let's start with a question that was given to us by Manila Bulletin by Miss Carissa Alcantara. She wants to ask you, what was your creative process behind your single, Room?
Creative process? Well, nagsimula po siya nung nag-offer si Pablo na siya yung gagawa ng kanta ko. And then, well, thank you Pablo. Thank you Pablo. I know you're there somewhere. And yeah, nagsimula siya nung siya nag-initiate na gusto niya gumawa ng song for me. And then he asked me anong sound yung gusto ko. And I know myself po na I'm into this kind of sound, yung very Michael Jackson, Bruno Mars, but I want to incorporate yung medyo theatrical and musical na genre po. So I think doon po siya umiikot, kaya naging ganun yung sound ni Room. And si Josue po, nandyan po siya, yung kapatid ni Pablo. Isa rin po siya sa mga gumawa ng beat na naging yung magiging baseline ng buong song na sinundan. And then, after po nun, ginawa na ni Pablo ng lyrics and then nagtuloy-tuloy na po siya.
I love it. And talagang, it's a collaboration pala,
Yes
no?
po.
Ay, thank you very much, Pablo. And so now this is a question naman from One Music PH, from Chris Ramos Jr. What is your ideal room like?
My ideal room? Siyempre po may kama. Kasi wala lang silbi yung kwarto pag walang kama. Kasi room, normally matutulog. Well, dapat may kama, and siyempre dapat may window na papasok yung hangin.
Yes.
Para masarap tumambay. And siyempre, kasama yung mga loved ones din.
Ay! May aircon ba dito sa room na to?
Kahit electric fan, pwede na.
Ah!
Kasi yung kasama mo mahangin.
Grabe. And syempre, kakantahan mo yung mga kasama mo sa room. ganun. Now, this one, well, you kind of answered this already kanina because you said na it was Pablo who helped you create the song. So, Push ABS-CBN is asking what inspired you to write the song? So, was it just fully Pablo or
Yeah, it was fully Pablo na nagsulat ng lyrics. Tinanong lang ako ni Pablo kung ano yung gusto kong message dun sa song. And Room is all about confidence. Na parang hindi lang ako yung gusto kong makafeel nun. Gusto ko pati yung mga taong makakarinig ng music, ma-feel nila na they're empowered kung sino sila. Dapat confident sila kung sino sila. Kasi at the end of the day, sila yung makakapag-define kung sino sila, not other people.
Hey, preach! That was wonderful. Thank you very much, Stel. Now, what other future plans or endeavors await you as a soloist? This is a question from Philippine Concerts. Thank you.
Well, super excited po ako to announce. Well, nasabihan na rin naman po ako na pwede na siyang i-announce today
Okay.
na sa August, tama ba? In August po, I will be releasing my first EP. I will be releasing my first EP and in August din po magsa-start yung mga local tours ko.
Meron bang chance of international tours din?
Why not?
Yeah!
Why not? Siyempre, hindi naman po tayo kailangan mag-close ng doors. So, kahit anong opportunity po yung pumasok, siyempre, tatanggapin po natin ang buong buo.
Yes, we can't wait, okay?
Super excited.
Naka-countdown na tayo din for August, for sure.
Thank you so much. Excited na po ako.
And now, why did it take you long enough now to release your first single as a solo artist? This was a question by Rainy Alberto from Business Mirror.
Matagal ko na po siyang nasasabi na when I start performing as SB19 member, parang na-feel ko na agad na mas gusto ko lang sila kasama mag-perform. Parang hindi ako sanay mag-perform mag-isa, gusto ko lagi ko silang kasama. But nung time na nagkaroon ako ng opportunity to express myself and to expose myself nung sa The Voice Generations, mas dun ko na-feel yung support nila lalo. Kasi sila rin yung nagsabi sa akin na i-grab ko yung opportunity na yon. So nung tinry ko talaga, mas na-feel ko na, kaya ko pa rin para tumanggap ng mga solo engagement. And then, habang tumatagal na mas nagiging strong yung support nila sa akin, hanggang sa, eto nga, sila rin yung nag-push sa akin na mag-release ng solo singles.
Yes.
So,
Ikaw yung pinaka parang grand finale, di ba? Sa kanilang lahat.
but ayun po, yung question is bakit natagalan? Kasi nga po, hindi ako ready mag-solo.
Mhm.
But ito na yun eh. Ito na eh, na-release ko na. Wala na akong karapatan sabihin na hindi ako ready.
And you mentioned it nga kanina, there was a word that you shared na talagang it captures what room is all about. You said exposed, di ba? Because if you're with your group, di ba, parang it's so mas comforting to be together. But it shows how strong you guys are as a group because you can fully support each other as everyone goes solo, di ba? Yan, kaya, my gosh, we cannot wait for that EP as well. And also, the music video na mapapanood natin.
Yes, mamaya po yan.
Can't wait.
Kinakabahan nga po ako sa music video. Well, mamaya makikita natin kung ano magiging reaction nila sa music video.
Okay.
Let's see.
Let's see.
Naku, nandito pa naman yung parents ko. Ano kayo sasabihin nila sa music video?
Nasaan po yung parents?
Ito po, nasa harap.
Ay, ayun, ayan. Up close talaga.
Nandiyan po po yung lolo't lola ko, mamaya pag napanood nila yung music video, sabihin nila, ganito ba namin pinalaki to? Ganyan yung sabihin nila.
Ayan na, harap na harap talaga sila. Makikita nyo lahat. Mamaya.
Mamaya.
Ma-expose. Ayan. And now we have another question from Inquirer.net from Jade Gojit. Sabi niya, what gives you motivation to pursue your solo journey? I think na-mention mo na rin naman ito, Dan.
Siguro add na lang rin po.
Yes.
Kasi nga po yung fans, yung 18, and of course yung mga supporters na yung berries po. Sila talaga rin yung... Nandyan ba kayo sa taas? Ayan. Sila po kasi parang nalulungkot po ako every time na nakikita ko yung tweets nila na parang kailan ba magkakaroon ng solo song system? Binanggit ko lang kayo, ma-okay nyo naman. Di parang nababasa ko lang yung tweets nila na parang nag-aantay talaga sila. Pero nung mga time na yun, iniisip ko, may group naman, may mga group naman kami, may The Voice naman. So nakikita na nila ako. Pero iba pala yung gusto nila, like ganitong klaseng ano pala. So ganitong side pala yung gusto nyong makita dito. So, dahil hiningi nyo, ibibigay ko sa inyo. Ayun po, yun din. Sila rin talaga yung naging motivation and naging inspiration.
I love that. You know what? Ano rin siya, parang perfect timing because just recently you also went viral because of your beautiful rendition dun sa Gen Z concert, di ba?
Opo.
Yes. Kaya talagang a lot of people for sure that added to the, ay, kailan kaya makakasolo si Stel? Kasi ang galing-galing mo talaga kumanta ng mga covers, especially by our national artists, di ba? So, was that really a special moment for you?
Yes, for me, super special po nun. And as someone na mabigyan ng ganong klaseng opportunity and kantahin yung ganong klaseng song ni Mr. Ryan Cayabyab, sobrang pressure po sa akin, especially yung glam team namin, talagang pinipressure nila ako about that song. Kasi mga OG Regine Velasquez fans po sila. So sinasabi nila, sabi nila, naku, Stel, ganda mo yung tono ng pagkakasabi, ay, naku, Stel, gandahan mo yan. Kasi maganda yung version ni Ate Regine yan. So ganun po nila sinasabi sa akin. So ako po, sobrang pressure na ako. Tapos bago pa pumakat ng stage, tumabi pa po sa backstage si Miss Reg. So talagang kinabahan ako. So the whole time, we were not talking to each other because, English. So the whole time, hindi po kami nag-uusap kasi lahat kami kinakabahan. Tapos after nung show, lahat na lang nagpalakpakan. Yung dalawa nag-iiyakan sa gilid kasi sobrang proud sila. So ayun po. Pero yung time po na talaga na yun, na-realize ko na parang, wow, grabe. Kaya ko na pala gawin yung mga ganun. Pero super thankful po ako and very blessed sa mga ganong klaseng opportunities po.
Truly, that was really a mesmerizing performance. Grabe talaga. Pinanood ko agad yung video nun eh. Yes, kasi hindi ako makanood nun. May show din ako dun sa kabilang theater nun. Kaya talagang, bakit ko na-miss to? Pero oh my gosh, truly amazing.
Thank you.
And so, you know what? I think we are about to see the music video in just a few moments, okay? Kaya just before we witness this momentous historic occasion, talaga namang Stel marks the spot. Kaya naman, pagsalamatan muna natin si Stel right now. Thank you very much, Stel!
Salamat po.
Yes!
Nandito po si Tita Baby. Si Tita Baby nandito po. Siya po yung kasama ko sa music video. Tita Baby, tayo po kayo. Ayan, si Tita Baby. Our forever Tita Baby. Maraming salamat po for coming tonight, Tita Baby.
Ay, we can't wait to see the participation of Tita Baby in this video.
Ako po makikita niyo po kung gaano po kataray ang mata ni Tita Baby.
Okay, so here we go. I think it's really time right